Hi, and welcome back to the chat where we talk about anything eBay related and more. Today, we're going to be talking about again how to really sort of build an account when you start with eBay. So, overview of again, I've just opened up an eBay account and you're thinking what to sell, what do I do, how do I go about it, and what to choose, and really have no clue. But today, we're going to go through this in a short way and show a brief example of strategy and what you should be really doing. Some of you have opened up eBay accounts and obviously want to try and make a big killing. This is not the idea or solution to go out and do it. There is a reason why, because it's most important to start slow. And there is an algorithm into eBay when it comes down to building people or any sort of platform, not just eBay itself. It's just gradually go into this with small steps. Yep. Don't go out and try to sell complete big items. This is the wrong way or an approach about it, because it will cause a lot of problems down the line. This is to help you understand when you've got particular items that will, again, are very, very expensive. It can also be a problem for your cash flow and more, because if you spend a lot of money, obviously you've got to get that money back and things like that, and if things go wrong, you go into big problems where the whole thing goes totally south. And you don't want that for the first time around when it comes to your account. So the objective is what we're looking at for. How can we build an account with items that are very, 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 very low ticket? When we talk about low ticket, it means they're very not items that are in more than £50 or $50, but low. Now, if you've got this kind of attitude whereby when items are that low, again, they may even sell more. If it's under $20 or $10, I would even go down to $3 and $4. That's not really, that's not what you want. You really want to come with a base figure and say, okay, where's the minimum that you're going to sell an item for? Now, having this kind of idea first, and when you got the minimum, you've got to know what you got to go after, and you know what to sell. Yeah, I would say as a tip, don't even go anything out and anything more less than $5, because you've got shipping info and things like that. You want to make a profit, or you just want to make sure you break even, and this is what you want to do in an account. So you can build up the account gradually, selling items that are again at a very, very good price. So let's jump into this and have a look at this and show you particular one items that I've usually sold in the past that also help to build my account up if I've never sold before. So this is actually these water pencils. As you can see, this was sold on February 14th, Valentine's Day. Now again at $21.87. Now, if we look around, and surprisingly enough, we can look at two particular sources here. One, this is 21.47. This is what we sold for. And we can also look at the actual website itself. Now, the website itself, and I'll just go behind here, it says they're selling for $15.99. So there is a movement around this, is that you can buy low and sell high. Now, granted, this isn't has free shipping on top of that, so shipping could be anywhere to $4.99 as well. So, but what we're looking at is a situation. This can be sold, and if you buy this in, if you bought about 3 of those for yourself, then you want to sell them out. Obviously, you've got the shipping costs. Obviously, you bought them all in. Obviously, you do make a profit off that as well. So that is a strategy you can play around. 21.87. It's not much in it, but again, you can see where things can be very, 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 very great if you've got, because they do sell, and that's what you're looking for. You're looking for it. Does it sell a lot? That is another thing you can go around and find out. But we want to have that strategy. They can actually sell more. If we look at this, it may do. It really depends on obviously the seller. Obviously, you can list it more. Obviously, offer different postage rate, and you can try and sell it for more if you really wanted to. When it comes down to that, but as I said, strategy wise, when it comes down to selling things to build up the account at the beginning, this is crucial when it's starting off of your eBay account. Don't worry about the larger competitors, because obviously the larger competitors will always be there. And what eBay will do will also rotate your particular item with the others as well. Now, the eBay doesn't go and sort of favor everybody that is selling the highest amount. They can also look out for new sellers. And this is very, very important when you do listings. When people create new listings, you probably come up higher than the people that are already there as well, which is even better sell. So it's quite important for you. If you can do that, you can probably sell against everybody else. I've done it. I'm quite surprising to see the least. Creating new listings and selling against some very, very higher competitors and sold in front of them as well. So don't worry about all the other competitors around you. Yep, your objective is you're building your account very, very small. You can make sales on very, very new accounts. I was very, very surprised. Brand new account. I probably sold some of these particular products here the other day to obviously to build up the account, and which is pretty good. And you can do that all day long, and you can get into this particular area. Granted, obviously this particular category can be more expensive as well, but there are things that you can actually go out to build account, but you're not going to make a huge killing on that. And you're probably thinking, oh, I want to make lots of money. That comes with a bit more skill and strategy when it comes to building up your account. Okay, so think about it very, very carefully, and then when it comes to that, and you can literally buy and sell anything that you want out there. And obviously I'll be going through some particular things and methods and ways. Obviously you can resell particular items, as you can get particular cheap items for lesser prices, and obviously to be able to sell them on eBay as new, and that's what you want to do, brand new items, and get them sold. But bearing in mind, as I said before, buy the items in, and then you'll be able to resell them however you want them to do. And that is probably the way you can do it. Because remember, you've got to take care of the shipping and all the other costs that goes with it. And obviously the management, if they also track if possible, and have a way you can make again a profit anyway. But don't go out there and start selling big particular items. That's going to cause problems for your account, and trying to listings again anywhere from 300 200 that comes with a bit more experience. And if you've got the kind of particular revenue to actually really play around with, and that is where you can get in and start to do more particularly great items as well. So if you've got any comments about what we're talking about here when it comes to selling online and beginners of selling on eBay, feel free to drop it in the comments box. And again, if you've got a question that has just bugging you, check out also the community page as well. We've got some questions that people are asking, anything that you really want to answer there, put it in there, put it in this, so everybody can see. And we've got some polls coming up as well when it comes down to eBay selling and reselling, and also that we're providing. Why not comment below, have your say, share your opinion, and we can even solve some of the problems that you may be facing along the way. Like and subscribe to the channel to get exclusive updates on when things change on eBay and very more. That's it for now. Check out all the other videos that you may have missed here on this channel.